Introducing the Benro S Pro Tandem Leg Video Tripod Kit. Combining a robust video tripod with a versatile S Pro video head, this kit will help keep your productions moving fast and efficiently. The two-stage 3-section aluminum tripod sets up quickly, and the dual tandem upper leg sections offer more stability for larger camera rigs. Available in 2 sizes, the S6 Pro Kit supports up to 13.2 pounds, while the S8 Pro Kit supports up to 17.6 pounds. Excellent stability is achieved with the integrated 75mm metal bowl, while the adjustable mid-level spreader allows you to widen your footprint for more stability and support. Designed for the operator on the go, a few quick flips of the leg locks, and you're set up or broken down in no time. The large articulating foot pads can be removed to take advantage of the dual spikes. The S Pro heads feature a continual fluid drag control, coupled with a 6-step counterbalance on the S6 Pro and an 8-step counterbalance on the S8 Pro. The design of the heads make it easy to adjust the pan drag, lock the pan, adjust the tilt drag, dial in the counterbalance, and lock the tilt, all from behind the camera, so you can make adjustments while still operating the head. The telescoping pan arm is interchangeable, so it can be mounted to either side. Or a second arm can be added for dual handle control. An integrated bubble level adds even more precision to your shots. Also featuring a CNC machined quick release plate system, an included quarter 20 and 3/8-16 camera screws with built-in storage. Mounting and removing of your camera has never been easier. The sliding adjustable plate with scale gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. Mounting threads on each side of the heads allow you to mount accessories like monitors or audio recorders. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case and you're on your way. Check out the rest of the S Pro series heads and kits if you're looking for even more versatility. The S Pro Tandem Leg Tripod is what serious videographers have been waiting for. It has all the strength and precision you need, with the versatility and portability you've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.